Okay, so we are going to take a walk through the 2025 Holiday Market Tribute Store here at Universal Orlando. I just want to take a look outside at the windows first. Tyler here was one of the first ones through in the AP when they let the annual pass holders go through this year, but all the little window shopping is really cool. They have a lot of hidden Easter eggs out here. Just things from their icons like Jaws up there, Hello Kitty, Gerg the llama, of course that's Earl, Jurassic Park, and there's a little Earl book. We got that book last year, and I actually had Earl sign it. And when he did, he got ink on his teeth. So hopefully he's got his teeth cleaned up before we meet him this year. So this is like pretty awesome in here, like a little workshop where we got some woodworking, working on some little hobby horse, and so this is pretty cool. Paintbrushes, got them working on some nutcrackers. Oh, they got Gobble Gobble. Mistletoe Valley Holiday Market. Or maybe llama. Reindeer or maybe llama. We got arms and legs over here. What scraps. Alright, well let's head on in. I think the first part we have is the Harry Potter area. We got a snowy Grinch over here. It looks like a Whoville tree. Merry Grinchmas. Got some Grinch merch. Oh, look at Grinch in his pajamas over here. I like that. To steal Christmas. Gosh, they got tons of Grinch stuff. Ooh, look at the Grinch toboggan. It's pretty cute. Gerg mine. Happy holidays. Oh, that's from the that's actually from the movie store where they had the tribute store that had the old VHS tapes and everything, like an old video rental. Oh, look at Earl and his Christmas Earl instead of Christmas Carol. Alright, so looks like we got some Hello Kitty merch over here. More little signs with Earl. Oh, Holiday Market. Don't miss Erlinger's Nutcracker Emporium. And there is Earl and Gerg's Nutcracker Lodge and Emporium and Museum. I was looking at the signs, weren't you? Did you see little... Oh, Gerg Nog. It's not the holidays without a glass of Gerg Nog. Did you see this was from the holiday, the movie store when they had it?
That must be that fountain.
Okay, so we're in the Nutcracker Museum. Now, some of these nutcrackers we actually saw last year because they had a little nutcracker hunt. And so, I guess there is the fire nutcracker, like the fire and ice dragons from Dueling Dragons throwback here. So, got all kinds of nutcrackers on the wall. But I saw someone's video the other day where they had added one, I think, since Tyler's been here. Oh my gosh. Wait a minute. Oh, right there. Did you see that one, or has he been added? Somebody said he was added. Yeah. Maybe, or did you just miss him, or somebody said he was added in their video. I can't remember who I was watching. But tons of nutcrackers. Oh, let me go over here. I didn't get these nutcrackers over here. Yeah, some of the... Where was this one, Tyler? Was it in the candy shop? That one right there. Because part of these nutcrackers, remember last year we had the nutcracker hunt too? So they were different places in the park. So I didn't show this, which is a big old nutcracker fireplace, which is pretty cool. And now we're getting into the Earl stuff, because we love that little squirrel. Oh, now I know that one was at Jurassic Park. There's our book and our shirts we have on today. And this year's holiday parade shirt. So there's a little Whoville nutcracker. Got some treats in here. Oh my gosh, there's so many nutcrackers to look at. What was that? Oh look, the Universal Evening Post. Little Earl. And let's see. Oh, the world's smallest nutcracker over there. Oh, and we got Earl's photos in here where he's been all kinds of places that he's visited. So, I know there's a really cool one somewhere in here. Oh, this was from Earl's living room from a couple years ago. They had him in his little acorn with antlers. There was a tribute store they had with he is kind of in Earl's living room. See, they even got squirrel wallpaper. But look, Earl visited Dark Universe this summer. So he's been over to Epic to visit.
No, they're like 8.
And this is where you check out. So super, super cute tribute store this year. Let's see where else Earl has been over here. Uh-oh, from Blues Brothers. Alright. Oh, I guess that was he was in Dark Universe there with the burning blade. Anyway, that is it.